Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video on this repair that I'm doing for this PT Cruiser I picked up on Craigslist. I didn't really notice uh, a problem with it shifting until I got home and when I was able to relax after the purchase and everything. I noticed the shifting knob was really loose, and I had to time it just right to get it to slap into reverse. And so then I watched some videos, and it's exactly the problem that I'm having. So what you have here, these are the little shifting cables right here. Every time you move that shifting column in your car, this moves, and there's another one right here that moves. You'll see it down in there. And what's happening is you'll see pieces of it. Let me see if I can find a piece of the shifter cable here, or the shifting bushing. Let's see if I can grab it without losing it. Yeah, so if you can see here, it's completely crumbled, like it's super brittle and everything. And that's what this is, this little bushing. And that bushing snaps into there, and then that rod, which is attached to your transmission, keeps that removes any play in there. So that's why it's all wobbly and loose. So I'm gonna swap both of these out, and that should solve it. And if you look over here, this is the part that I used. It's a Dorman part number 14044. It comes with 3, but when I looked at the reviews, you almost need to buy 2 of these. I think they're like $20 a pop, because there's actually 4 bushings, but maybe these are the 3 most common that need to be replaced, and that's what I'm guessing. But I think some people are like, you know what, since it takes 4, and even though the 4th one is totally fine, it's kind of like they just want to just do it all at once. So I bought an extra one just in case I think it really needs it, and then I'll just have a couple spare bushings, because this PT Cruiser only has 67,000 miles on it, and it's a 2002, and the bushings are totally shot. Now there are 2 more bushings inside here. Now you can watch some videos on it. I'm not going to show you that part, but if you take out this whole column here and the knob, and there's a way to just take all this out, you'll see there's another 2 more bushings that kind of just are right underneath here. But you got to take that whole center column out. It's only like 4 screws. And if you watch the videos closely on how to do it, it sounds pretty easy, just awkward. So yeah. Now as for this here, all I did was remove the filter that was here and in the filter cabinet, and then you just take out these 2 screws just so you can move this around to get to that one there. You don't need to just take this whole thing apart. And that's it.